Mhm. What's this? Might have been one of the ones before.
Yeah, you might be a bit.
Said I know what you've got in your bag.
Okay. Oh, we got an egg. Have you got an egg?
Oh,
Come on, come on.
gonna look round this end now.
There we go. Come on.
Oh. Have no look. There you go. Oh. Hopefully you've scared him. Yeah, never mind.